Hi, this is Ryan Knox with the A&R GIS office, and this video is going to demonstrate labeling. Dynamic labeling is controlled through the Layer Properties dialog box and Labels tab. Checking this box will turn labeling on. You have two options for labeling. We're going to choose to label all the features the same way. In this case, it's a town boundary layer, so we're just going to choose the town name. And change some of the preferences. You can quickly turn off labels for a feature layer by right-clicking and unchecking label features. Turn it on the same way. Now we're going to look at some of the properties in a little more detail. You can set the scale range for features labels by hitting the scale range button. In this case, we want our labels to turn off at a small scale. We're going to choose 250,000. Our labels have turned off, but when I zoom in to 1 to 250,000, they turn on. Dynamic labeling is labeling on the fly. You can only set preferences for where you want your labels placed. Those preferences are set by selecting this box. All the placement property options will be slightly different depending on your geometry. In this case, we only want our labels to be placed inside the polygon, always horizontal, and we're going to remove duplicate labels. Explore these preferences. I also wanted to show you the labeling toolbar. If you right-click in the top gray margin, you can turn on the labeling toolbar. So a couple things that are useful when you have many feature layers and labels. You can pause labeling altogether and shut it off for all layers. This will improve your map performance, your draw performance. And you can also lock your labels in place so that they don't move. Because they're locked, notice that the dynamic labeling is shut off. And that's a brief overview of labeling.